So this is my current view. I am currently sitting underneath kind of a John Deere excavator. So get down to the securement points down here. I get to sit underneath the machine.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on Perry Road, then take the first right.
Set my
Turn left on Perry Road, then take the first right. Turn right at the traffic light. It's 1 mile. Turn left on West Oklahoma Street.
We're in a strange delight. Come with me, and you will see. Strangers in the night.
It's 1 mile. Enter the roundabout.
Shining bright, a never-ending space. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad. We're strangers in
Take the second exit to Dawson Street.
Strangers in the night. Strangers in the night.
And safe.
Change my mind. Your head strong forward, but this time around I'm taking my time. Don't push me. I'm not coming down. I'm not giving up. Oh, don't rush me. I made up my mind, going straight to the top. Follow blindly.
Pop off the other side and back up and get straight on it. Open up a little bit and back up.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, I'll take it. I am 11,440 on my steers. I'm 35,560 on my drives. I'm 37,300 on my trailer. I'm grossing 84,300. I'm going to both tap off on the shoulder. Tap off on the right shoulder, I'm tap off on the left shoulder. Hopefully everybody's having a good new year. What are your plans for this year? Let me know down in the comments. Currently got this John Deere 210 excavator. Thing is about 52,000 pounds. My gross weight's a little over 84,000 pounds. So definitely overweight. Got permits for that. 10 foot 6-inch wide, so a little bit on the wide side. I got this thing secured. I got a pair of X chains here at the back. Got a pair off the tracks coming down to the trailer, down to my binders. And then up under the machine on the actual securement points, I have the X chain coming off with my shackles, so this thing can't go anywhere. On the back of the machine, I have a pair of X chains coming off the machine from my shackles, coming down to a binder on my trailer on either side. And I also have a chain coming down off of the track to the trailer. Got that on the side. And I got a chain just running straight through the boom, putting downward pressure. Got a piece of rubber up under there to protect it. And on the bucket itself, I got another strap. A little bit of overkill, didn't really need to go that far. Not a bad little machine.
Downtown Topeka, Kansas.
Damn, this is a small ass road. US Highway 40. I got no shoulder. This is almost tight. This would not be fun to meet another oversized. That could get interesting. Okay, hurry.
You make my eyes unsee all the crazy. You make my heart believe there's only one of you, baby. Run away with me, don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes unsee all the crazy. You make my heart believe. There's no more clouds on the freeway. Now tell me you'll stay. Gonna now last someday. Here we go. Those bad fancy hotels, girl, you know. Baby, run away with me. You kill the lonely. You make my eyes unsee all crazy. You make my heart believe there's only one of you, baby. Don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes unsee all the crazy. You make my heart believe. We'll stay in bed all day.
Somehow the Crete driver who flipped me off seemed to think that one parking spot was going to make a difference in this place. Somehow I don't think it's going to. The interstate's closed and it is pretty much make a spot in here. So So getting pissed off with an oversize because of how much room they take up when the entire truck stop is completely jammed and full is ridiculous.
Let's try to get out of the truck stop.
Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel
Some of the hot chocolate being refilled at Pilot.
Here I go.
Hey, we drink all the hot chocolate? Yeah, let the people drink. If you look at the 70 over in Colby, it's a shutdown westbound and eastbound.
Continue on I-70 business route.
Yeah. Good to meet you all together. They keep using them stupid instead of like out here.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street.